Hello students, today we will do exercise of chapter number 2, page number 16. First exercise is true or false. First, a monitor looks like a television. Yes, so we will write here T. A CPU cabinet is used for typing. No. False. A mouse is used to take a printout. No. So we will write here false. A printer can print a picture on a paper. Yes. So we will write here true. Speakers are used to listen to music and voice. Yes. Right? True. Okay, this is the exercise of chapter number 1A exercise. Students, exercise number B. Identify each of the following picture. For each picture, write the first letter. Okay, here. In the circle provided for the picture, one has been done for you. Then write the word form these letters 3 times. Here, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so let's start exercise number B. What is this? This is a mango. So first letter should be in capital. Okay, M. Then write spelling here. What is this, students? Orange. So we will write here capital O. Then here orange. Okay. What is this? This is a nest. Capital N. Then write here nest. Then what is this? Ice cream. So capital I, ice cream. Okay. Then what is this? Tree. Write capital T. Then write tree. And what is this? Owl. And this rat. Okay. So first word MONITOR. Which computer part it is? This is a monitor. So we will write here monitor. Okay, 3 times you will write. Okay, this is the exercise number B. Okay, children, let's do exercise number B, then 2. What is this? Kite. So write here K and here kite. And what is this? Egg. Write here. What is this? Yolk. So write here Y. Then here. Okay. What is this, children? Ball. So you will write here B. Ball. And here. What is this? O. Owl. And here apple. Here rose. Here drum. So which computer part it is? KEYBOARD. What is this? Keyboard. Okay, children, this is the exercise number 2. 3. What is this? Parrot. Write here P. Then what is this? Ring. Ice cream. What is this? Nose. you refer this spellings also. What is this? Tub. What is this? Eagle. What is this? Rat. Okay. Which computer part it is? Printer. 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 Okay. This is the exercise number 3. Okay children, this is the exercise number 3. Which computer part it is? Printer. Exercise number 4. What is this? Sun. What is this? Parrot. What is this? Eagle. What is this? Aeroplane. What is this? Kite. What is this? Ear. And here a rat. Which computer part it is? S-P-E-A-K-E-R. Which computer part? Speaker. You will write 3 times speaker. Okay, this is the exercise number 4. Now let's do exercise number C. Fill in the blanks. Okay, a computer dash has many keys for typing. Which computer part? Keyboard. So we will write here keyboard. Second is a computer dash looks like a television. Which computer part? Monitor. Third is the dash contains what is called the brain of the computer. Who is the brain of computer? CPU cabinet. A computer dash is used to point at things on the monitor. Which computer part is used to point at things? Mouse. A dash is used to listen to sound. Which computer part is used to listen to music? Speaker. Okay children, this is the exercise of chapter number 1, C exercise. Okay. Now we will do exercise D. Mark the part in which you will find the brain of the computer. Mouse is the brain of computer? No. Keyboard is the brain of the computer? No children. What is this? Monitor. Monitor is the brain of computer? No. Who is the brain of computer? CPU cabinet. So tick on CPU cabinet. Okay. Now let's do exercise number E. Parts of computer. Look at the following computer. Name its various parts. Okay. First is first. What is this? CPU cabinet. And second part is computer or a monitor? It is a monitor. Third is small. 1 and 2. 3 and 3. Left speaker or right speaker? Speaker. Okay, what is this? keyboard. What is this? Mouse. And which part? Printer. Okay children, this is the parts of computer. CPU cabinet, monitor, speaker, keyboard, mouse and printer. Students learn all the parts, okay, with spellings. So now we will do exercise F. In this picture, lots of computer parts here, okay. So find it computer parts only. First, CPU cabinet. Where is CPU cabinet? At the left bottom corner here, okay, at the left bottom corner. So circle CPU cabinet, okay. Next is mouse. On the table on the left hand side, okay, here, okay. So circle on mouse. Now printer, over the wardrobe near the window, okay, here, circle the printer. Monitor, on the table on right, so circle on monitor. Speakers, one on the table with the monitor and one at the far edge of the bed, where one is near under the table and one is here.